India reported the single-day spike of 10,956 fresh COVID-19 cases and 396 deaths in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of infections in the country rose to 2,97,535, including 1,41,842 active cases, 1,47,194 cured cases, and 8,498 deaths, according to the Health Ministry. The centre has warned that 5 most affected states due to the COVID-19, which includes Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, are projected to fall short in terms of ICU beds and ventilators between June and August. The projections warn that 17 districts including Gurugram, Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, Jalgaon, Chennai and Gautam Budh Nagar run the risk of capacity shortfall in the next 1 month if the current trend continues. The US state of Arizona is witnessing a daily surge in the number of coronavirus cases after stay-at-home orders were lifted. Arizona's Department of Health reported an additional 1,412 new cases on Thursday, bringing the state's total to 31,264. The governor of Arizona maintains that hospitals can handle a surge in patients. Health officials have now encouraged the public to wear masks where physical distancing is not possible. A disturbing video of decomposed bodies being loaded into a van at a crematorium in southern Kolkata was widely shared on social media on Thursday. Even Governor Jagdeep Dhankar took note of the videos and sought answers for the inhumane handling of the bodies from the West Bengal administration. It was claimed that the bodies were of coronavirus patients. Locals protested against the cremation after a stench hit the neighborhood when the municipal van arrived. Kolkata police tweeted that the unclaimed bodies were not of coronavirus patients. In its International Religious Freedom Report for 2019, the United States administration has given a detailed account of the protests and criticism against the Indian government's decisions on the Citizenship Amendment Act and Article 370. Calling it an internal report of the United States government, the Indian government said Washington has no locus standi to comment on the issue.